Last April, a Brevard County man was released from prison after spending more than 30 years behind bars, convicted of murder.
With just months of freedom, and despite saying he's innocent, Crossley Green may be going back behind bars. West 3's Amanda Dukes reports why a court just ruled his release a mistake.
63-year-old Crossley Green has spent the past year enjoying freedom after 32 years in prison for a Brevard County murder he says he did not commit. But Monday, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals ruled a federal district judge improperly overturned Green's conviction, and now Green may go back to prison. It was back in 1989 that Green was convicted of murder for the fatal shooting of Charles Chip Flynn in an orange grove. Kim Halleck, a woman who dated Flynn, told police they'd been kidnapped and robbed before being driven to the grove. She later identified Green as the suspect. In 2018, a federal district court judge ruled prosecutors had improperly withheld evidence about police officers suspecting it was actually Halleck who shot Flynn. As a former federal defense attorney, David Haas explains the door opened for a new trial.
The district court said that there were some notes and some photographs that had not been turned over to his defense lawyer, which is a violation of what's called a Brady rule, meaning that any information that could be what's exculpatory or lead to someone's finding of not guilt or innocence is required to be turned over by prosecutors.
The state appealed the ruling, and while that appeal was underway last spring, a judge released Green from prison under house arrest. But now the 11th Circuit has ruled that the lower court wrongly overturned Crossley's conviction, meaning he may have to go back to prison. Crossley's attorneys expressed their disappointment in a statement saying, "Mr. Green is innocent. He was wrongfully convicted and deserves a new and this time fair trial. Our fight for justice for Mr. Green will not be over until he's exonerated. There are various ways we can appeal this ruling, and we plan on doing just that." Amanda Dukes reporting, WESH 2 News.
As for when and if Green will return to prison, his attorneys say there is a mandatory period of time before the 11th Circuit's ruling becomes final. Their hope is Green will remain under his current conditions of release while the appeals continue.